Hi, my name is Jack Basham, and I'll be talking about the principle of original horizontality. This is Nicholas Steno, the one who discovered this, and basically the principle states by way of gravity the layers of sediment are nearly horizontal. Most sediment is either laid down horizontally in bodies of water like the ocean or on land on the margins of streams and rivers. Each time a new layer of sediment is deposited, it is laid down on top of an older layer. This is the principle of original horizontality. Layers of sediment are deposited horizontally or nearly horizontally. Thus, any deformations must have occurred after the rock was deposited. How can we determine the relative age of tilted layers in my example? Well, igws.indiana.edu provides us with rules that can help us decipher this. Sedimentary rocks form with the oldest layers on the bottom and the youngest on top. Sediments are deposited horizontally, so sedimentary rock layers are originally horizontal, and sedimentary rock layers that are not horizontal are deformed. So as you can see here. And what layers are the youngest and the oldest? Well, ck12.org helps us understand that sedimentary rocks start out horizontal with the oldest on the bottom. Sedimentary rocks that are not horizontal must be deformed, and this deformation produces geologic structures such as folds, joints, and faults that are caused by stresses. We can use this deformation and structures out of the history of the rock itself.